place was bare yesterday when I brought you guys here. Hey my loves, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning guys. You guys, today is the day of my event and I'm heading very early because I have to take all these things. Let me show you guys. Take my banner, different things to the venue so that we can start. This is very early in the morning. This is, I think, about 7 o'clock on the dot. My workers are already there, so in fact they got there since 6:30. We've been working since yesterday. You guys have seen. I should open the boot. Oh, no break. My husband is just trying to help me fit in the foam boards and all. But the building I was telling you guys has started yesterday. You guys could see the building has started yesterday. Oh, you guys, this is one of a kind event, and I'm praying that everything goes successful. It will in the name of Jesus. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Hey guys, it is Bumsy, but today it is KK event and decor. You guys could see when this place was bare yesterday when I brought you guys here. When we're trying to build, set up, do a lot of work. It was not easy work at all. But yeah, we are actually done at this point and the event is about to begin. And I'll show you guys the decoration, like what it looks like now. When I tell you that we bring the magic touch to your event. So if you happen to come across my video for the first time ever, like this is the first time you're ever watching my channel, aside from being an accountant, aside from being a mom, aside from being a wife, aside from being, your Bumsy, aside from being a lover girl and many other things that you guys know me for, I am a event planner and a decorator as well. So feel free to book me. You can drop a comment in my comment section or you reach me out on Instagram and then we'll talk business. You guys, I take your event so personal, especially if you're coming from YouTube and you tell me that you're part of Bumsy's army. Trust that I will take your event very personal because you can even attest. Some people that have used me from my channel, they can attest that I give them my absolute best. But yeah, you guys, look at the decoration. Guys, we have so much fun. I had ice cream. What's the thing now? That's not slushies. I had fun. It's a very good planner. You guys should definitely use her. Highly recommended. Thank you. Party. Thank you. Follow, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm a subscriber. Like,
The next day. The next day.
Kaima, don't help me.
The one help you say no. Come, I want to help you. Bill English, want to help you. Hey, eyes oh. Mommy the second. Mommy the second. You will be the one to take over from mommy. Don't worry. You start cooking. Mommy rest. Let me cook. Only them get mama.
You want your food? You want it? Mommy.
Just take half of it.
Okay, the rice is ready.
What do you do that way? See, the rice is ready.
Mommy, what's rice? What rice? Mommy, where's the rice? Mommy, where's the rice I put for you?
And Pepe has washed it.
Any problem? Any?
I am not for picnic. Picnic. What's the name
Oh
of
my God, Kaima, you should wait now. I'm not the only one that has children.
Mommy,
Ah,
why are you going for picnic? Mommy, what is this? Why is Mommy? Look, I know where it's
Go all the way inside. Carry chair. God.
Good girl. Check out what I put in your bag.
you eat pasta.
No, I don't like pasta. Pasta.
You like pasta, stop following Kaito.
No. No, pasta. Mommy. Mommy, try the rice, please. I don't like pasta.
think that there's some neglect on my part for myself, because I have been sunburned a lot. I went out to the sun. I walked all through the weekend, so I was like under the sun, and I just put my makeup. I didn't put sunscreen, so if you can see my face, like I was sunburned a lot. And aside that, I just feel like there's some neglect on my part to myself. Yes, there's some neglect on my part, because recently these days I'm like, I beg, I beg, I beg, is it really that important? I beg, is it really? I just, I beg, I beg, I beg, I beg. But I want to draw myself back to caution. I want to help myself, you know even though I might not be 100% back to where I used to be, but I want to draw myself back to caution and not really neglect myself as much as I'm doing. Because aside my nails that are popping, my cornrows is not looking good, my eyebrow, it needs waxing. Even Oye has been trying to prompt me to say, see, let's go for waxing now, let's go for this. Let me just, if it's not work, because I feel like work is like the major thing that distracts me. So if it's not work, I'm not, sort of like interested or anything. But yeah, you guys, hopefully it gets better from here. Hopefully it gets better from here. But anyways, guys, I'm off to the market. I have delayed this market so much. Like, this is the first time I am going to the market, the beginning of a new month. Abi? Not the first time, I don't know, I've put series of videos, but it might not, but this is like once in a blue moon. But I have been so busy, and I'm so thankful for it. I'm really, really thankful for you guys. I was watching my previous video. I went back to the video. I'm not going to tell you guys the video, but it made me very emotional. But I went back to that video, and I realized that my cheeks were like, and then this, my neck, that since I gave Kaima, has refused to become lighter. My neck like this, when I was pregnant with Kaima, like my neck became black, in between here became black. I realized that the darkness was like but now, like, I think that my face is, let me not brag too much, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, enjoyed the cooking, enjoyed the time, the decoration, the everything. And I'll still say it again, please don't forget to use your girl for any event. Your wedding is coming up, you don't have idea vendors to get, what to do. I don't just I don't just decorate, I also plan events as well. So you guys, make sure to use your boomsy, make sure to use your girl. Don't carry my money and go outside. In fact, more than anything, I need as much jobs that I can lay my hands on, because yes, it's giving me a source of income, but majorly in this season of my life, it is distracting me as much as I need it to distract me. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one.